So here's a maquette, or a mock-up, if you will, of some furniture. You can see these pieces here. They look like this by themselves. They're not really going to lock perfectly, but this one here, just pretend that this is 2 stories, or an almost 2-story space, and you just get these interlocking architectures. So there's the top tower there, comes down to a 2nd level, and then the 1st level. Actually, that would be ground floor, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. This would be 4th level here. But anyways, you can get the idea here. All the tops are the same size, same shape and size, and just the legs become different, frame different kinds of spaces. And again, you can just keep playing with this all day. If you want to sell these in smaller versions as kids' toys, sort of like sophisticated building blocks, if you will. I just think it's really cool, frankly. Thanks for watching.